The inspiration for that shooting is Sound of Music, because it's a traditional Austrian movie. And for me it's super important to connect the Austrian tradition with a lot of glamour, because I love glamour. So this is the inspiration, and we are here in a beautiful location, in an original location from Sound of Music. So I'm pretty sure it will be amazing. It's super traditional, but also so glamorous, and each room has its own different look, and it's so unique and it's timeless beautiful. For me it's most important that you always wear what you feel really comfortable in. And if you feel comfortable with traditional things and maybe you combine it with new fashion styles, it's always fashion when you translate it to people that you are really comfortable in it.
I was in Los Angeles with Nadine in Venice, for example. So we plan every year one big photo shooting. And this year actually we decided to stay in Austria. Everyone knows the story of Austria. Of course you can take Mozart, but the romantic story is Sound of Music. Oh my gosh, I know Austria because of the Sound of Music. So everyone knows. And everything is great. It's a super extraordinary and romantic, but in super modern art. So we combined the two different things, and Nadine is doing great. Yeah, she's beautiful.
With songs they have sung for 1,000 years.